Hello friends, welcome to Sushma Feed Fantasy. I'm preparing today pancake. So let's start now. I'm taking 2 eggs. Crack the eggs. Take 1 glass of milk. Mix it in egg. Add slowly if you want. Whisk it nicely. One tablespoon vanilla essence. Add it. Then pinch of cinnamon powder. Mix it nicely and keep it aside. Now we're gonna prepare dry ingredients. Take 2 cups rising flour and 1/3 cup sugar, castor sugar. Then we're gonna add 1/4 tablespoon baking powder or baking soda. Then mix it nicely. Add slow by slow into the egg mixture. Keep mixing. Pancake batter is ready. Now take pan, add butter, then add 1 tablespoon batter. Make it round shape. Simple. Cook 1 minute one side, then turn it. Cook in medium flame. Add butter if you want more. Pancake is ready. You can serve with lots of berries, strawberries and blueberries, and whipped cream and maple syrup. Enjoy your morning breakfast. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe my channel, like, share, comment. Thank you so much. See you again in next video.